Hi, I'm Nick, the web designer at Merchant Web. If you're thinking about a website for your business, here is what sets our service apart. Each site that we build will give your business a strong online presence. It will make your brand look more professional and provide a smooth, user friendly experience for your visitors as well. We also set you up with a professional domain name and a matching email address to make your communications look more trustworthy and professional. We include interactive features like quote forms to make it easy for customers to get in contact with you. Plus, every site that we build comes with Google Analytics integration as well to help monitor traffic and find ways that we can improve that over the period of the 12 months hosting, which is also included. And in addition to that, we will also provide general maintenance on the website. So if you do want to update text on there or images during the term of the website, that's included in the packages that we offer. Now, our websites include full optimization and they're set up basically to maximize traffic to your site and make it more discoverable on places like Google, Microsoft Bing, and DuckDuckGo, and so forth. Um, each site is also optimized for every device, whether it's a tablet, whether it's a desktop, PC, laptop, mobile. The website will look great across all devices, okay? Included as standard is also a cookie compliant banner, which a lot of other websites do not currently have. Everything is really designed to be as simple as possible, and that's one of the reasons why we've also introduced flexible payment options, whether you would prefer to make payments on a monthly basis so you don't have a large outgoing cost, or pay in three payments interest free, or just a standard deposit and payment upon completion of the website once you're happy with it. If you'd like more information, drop me a message. Thank you for watching and goodbye.